Hello YouTube, hope you are doing well. Today I am here to show you how to upload thumbnail on YouTube video. So without any delay, let's move to our topic. Open your browser, then open your YouTube channel. So if you upload thumbnail on already uploaded video, simply go to YouTube Studio or Creator Studio. Now press on videos in the left side menu, and here is the video which you already uploaded. Simply click on pencil mark, scroll down, and here is the option of thumbnail. Now press on upload thumbnail. Guys, if you upload first video on your YouTube channel, it's want to verify your YouTube channel. For this, it requires a phone number to verify your YouTube channel. So now select a thumbnail. So here is the thumbnail or an image. Press on it and now press open. So here you can see that thumbnail is uploaded. Now press save. Refresh this, and now you can see that the thumbnail is being uploaded. If you want to upload a thumbnail on a new video, simply press on create. Now upload a video. After uploading video, here you can see that upload thumbnail option. Click on it. Now select a thumbnail or image which you want to upload on this video, and here you can see that the thumbnail is uploaded on a new video. Now set the video according to your choice and upload it. So guys, this is a simple way to upload a thumbnail on YouTube videos. Hope this video helped to solve your problem of how to upload a thumbnail on YouTube video. If you have any question, you can ask that question in comment section. I will reply you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.